Here, this will be a video chart on HFBG. Had a few requests, but I'm mainly doing this one because it's a pretty interesting chart setup here. Trying to catch one kind of before a bigger move comes, and this chart does show that it can move. Most recent example pretty much being back here in late April, early May, when it ran from triple zeros up to double O, I think 2-4. But here maybe another nice run's getting started. Still work to be done, but I'll point out kind of what caught my eye and what I'll be looking for in terms of resistances and so forth. So the first thing to kind of note is if we look down here at this orange line, this is the 200-day simple moving average. This was a support, and then when it fell here, you can see that I'm not going to count them up, but multiple days the price came up and just kept getting knocked down. Every time it tried to get back above there, this level just acted as resistance and knocked the price back down. However, that finally ended today. Not only did it break above it, it broke above it and ran quite a ways, but more importantly, it closed above it. And then you combine all that with today's price action, and you see that volume, began to wake up a little bit more here. And it's one of those situations where if we can get volume to keep increasing, we could get another nice run. Now, like I said at the beginning, there is still work to be done, and that work starts off at right here at the 50-day simple moving average. Like the 200-day, this is one of these crucial moving averages, and it used to be support, but when the price dropped below it, you can see that once again, multiple times it knocked down the price, and we'll see if that happens again, or if this momentum that started today can pick up some steam. And if it can, this level will be the first resistance that will need to be broken. Right now it's valued at 0009, so 0009 is the first key level of resistance. With a break of that, the next key area is going to be up here at 0012. So I'll map that out here. Where am I getting that level from? Well, if we look back here through the history, you can see it acted as resistance there, acted as resistance again and again. And then with that, there's some other ones, but I'm not going to get too far ahead of myself right now. The chart first just needs to see if it can get past the 50-day and then 0.0012. But if it can get through these two, then the chart could really get some nice organic momentum and maybe produce a nice bullish run. Now, in terms of support levels, the key area of support kind of have a zone. We have the lows over here, which were resistances to today that you can see the price broke above. I'm going to leave that one just skinny, because yes, it's a support level, but at the same time, it's not like a must hold or anything. But this level is valued at, low here is at 0007. But the key support really is going to be this 200-day simple moving average, which is right now valued probably at 0006. If the price can hold above that, then essentially it'll probably drop back down into this range that it was here, and pretty much this was just kind of a false signal, and nothing will come of it. But if this is a genuine signal here, and the bulls really are starting to pick up steam, then keep your eye on the 50-day and this level up here, and use those as kind of your measuring sticks in terms of how strong is this move really going to be. If it can get through the 50-day, then yeah, that's pretty strong. If it can get through the 0.0012 level, then you can kind of chalk that up to a very nice, strong momentum play that will hopefully keep on building and building. So it's worth at least putting on your radars and seeing what happens the rest of this week. Who knows? Maybe this was just a false move here and it'll drop right back down. That's always a possibility. But if anything, it's worth at least watching and seeing if there can be any sort of organic momentum that comes up from this. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and check us out. One more time, this was HFBG. Thanks for listening.